Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to express recurring decimal number into a rational number. Let us take this example. Express 0.6 bar in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Means this is recurring decimal 0.6 bar, and we have to convert it into p by q form, means in the form of a rational number. We take 0.6 bar as x, means x is equal to 0.666 and so on. Bar means repeated number. We call it as equation number 1. Now, only one digit is recurring, repeated, so we multiply both sides by 10 raised to power 1, that is 10, because one digit is repeated, so 10 raised to power 1. It becomes 10x is equal to 10 multiplied by this number, like this, 10 into 0.6666. It is 10x is equal to, the decimal shifts to one place here. It becomes 6.6666 because we have multiplied by 10. Now this can be written as 6 complete number plus 0.6666. How? Our number was 6 point here. We have broken it as 6666 and so on. Here 0, this one, and complete number 6, like this. Their sum is this 6.6666. Now look at this number. Look at this number. This is our x. Here, same as x. So we can write 10x is equal to 6 plus x. From here, what we get? X goes to this side. 10x minus x is 6. This gives 9x as 6, or x as 6 by 9. The simple calculation work. This gets cancelled and we have x as 2 by 3. This number is the rational form, p by q form of 0.6 bar. Let us do one more sum. The question is, express 0.47 bar in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and the denominator q is not equal to 0. We have to convert 0.47 bar in the rational form. The starting is same. We write the given number as x. X is equal to 0.47 bar, and bar means repetition. We write a few digits of 7 and call this equation as equation number 1. Again, we have to multiply now with the powers of 10, because only one number is recurring, repeating, so we multiply both sides with 10 raised to power 1, that is 10. So it becomes 10 into x, 10x, and 10 into 0.47777, like this. This we do to shift this decimal. Left hand side is 10x, RHS becomes 4.7777. Now we have to break up this new number in the form of x. What we do is 4 complete number plus 0.7777, as we did in the first question. This further is to be broken in the form of 477. Here we need 4. So we write it as 4 plus 0.3 and now it is 4 0.47777. How? Let us check, is our total correct? It is 4 point, then 4 and 3 7 and all these 7s. So now we are having the x form. This is our x as we supposed in equation number 1. We have 10x is equal to, these two will be added separately, 4.3, no need to write zeros, plus this one is x, and we have x goes to left hand side, 10x minus x is equal to 4.3, 9x is equal to 4.3, or x is equal to 4.3 by 9. This decimal we are removing and we get x as 43 by 90. This is the rational number, the p by q form of given number 0.47 bar. Let us practice more with the help of next example. In this question, we have to express 0.235 and bar is on 2 digits 3 and 5. 3, 5 are recurring. We have to express this number in the form of p by q, the rational number form, and the denominator should not be equal to 0. The beginning is same, x is equal to 0.235 bar. Bar means we have to write the 3535 repeatedly. Now we have to multiply with the powers of 10 because 2 digits are recurring, so we will multiply with 10 raised to power 2. 2 digits are repeating, so 10 raised to power 2, that is 100. It becomes left hand side is 100x and right hand side is decimal shifts to 2 places, 23.5353 and so on. This is the multiplication of powers of 10. Next, we break up this number in the form of x. How? We write 100x is equal to 23.3. From here we are taking only 3 and what is left? 2 is left. 0.2 and these numbers 353. So their addition, when we will add, we will certainly get 23.5 with these two numbers 5353, this number. Why we have broken like this? So as to get the value of x here. It is our x and we can write 100x is equal to 23.3 plus x. And next calculation work is quite easy. 100x and this x shift to left hand side is equal to 23.3. It is 99x is equal to 23.3, or x will be 23.3 upon 99, and removing this decimal, x is 233 upon 990. This is the decimal representation of this number. The main point is here to break up this number into two such parts, one of which is x. The rest is quite easy. You also practice the same sums from your course book, and for any queries, write to us in the comment box. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and work hard. Bye bye.